Let's do some camp oven cooking in our cast iron camp oven. So last night, our first dish to cook in the camp oven was a peach cobbler. Didn't turn out quite so good. It was a little bit rubbery. We overcooked it. I overcooked it. I didn't get it hot enough on top, but too hot on the bottom. So we're back at it tonight. But I'm going with a simpler dish. We're doing a chicken thighs and rice. Chicken thighs and rice. It's real simple. The recipe doesn't require a whole lot of imagination. But I'll check back in when we're ready to. When we check it, I'll turn the camera back on. We are at 200 plus degrees on the chicken inside. So ended up having to do 2 rounds of charcoal. We have a lot of wind that comes through this gate right here, and it really accelerated the charcoal burn. But our chicken recipe worked out to be really good. So Yappy, what's in the chicken recipe here? Because we didn't open with that.
We just put a little bit of butter on the bottom, mushroom, the cream of mushroom soup, can of cream of mushroom. I dumped some milk, a little bit of water because I didn't know. I probably could have done less water because I didn't know. Chicken, a little bit of garlic, the usual seasonings. And then we already had some frozen cooked rice, so we just waited till the end and made sure it was kind of warm and dumped rice on top. Dump the chicken, and that's it. It's looking. How many of these you want? 3?
At least, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna find out how good it is. We feel vindicated after our camp oven. Not exactly failure, not exactly success. After our disappointing outcome last night, I had one of the best chicken and rice meals. That was good stuff right there. We'll be cooking that again. And because she doesn't eat meat, I get to eat all of it. And it was so good. And we'll create a much more a better video for you next time showing what went into this. But it was so simple. It was the chicken, some onions. It was what we wanted to throw in there with a little bit of. They started mowing. Anyway, we'll do it again. All right, y'all come back now, you hear?